If you are renewing a passport or applying for a visa in 2026, there is a new rule that is getting thousands of photos rejected, and almost nobody is talking about it. In the next 2 minutes, I will give you the 5 reasons photos get rejected this year and how to avoid every one of them for free. Reason 1, and the big new one. As of January 1st, 2026, the U.S. State Department rejects any photo that has been digitally altered. That includes beauty filters, skin smoothing, AI enhancement, and even the automatic beautify that some phones and apps apply without asking. Here is the trap. A lot of passport photo apps now use AI to improve your face. That is exactly what gets you rejected. The rule is simple. Your face must look like you, untouched. Reason 2, the background. It must be plain white or off-white, with no shadows, no patterns, and nothing behind you. Standing too close to a wall throws a shadow that fails. One key difference, cropping to size and setting a clean white background is allowed. That is standard. What is not allowed is editing your face, so a tool that cleans the background but never touches your features is safe. Reason 3, size. A US photo is 2 by 2 inches, and your head must measure between 1 and 1 3/8 inches from chin to crown. Too far from the camera, your head is too small. Too close, it gets cropped. Every country has its own size, so check yours before you shoot. Reason 4, what is on your face? Glasses have been banned since 2016, so take them off. No hats or head coverings, unless worn daily for religious reasons, and your full face must still be visible. Keep a neutral expression, both eyes open, mouth closed. A big smile can fail. Reason 5, image quality. Blurry, pixelated, too dark, or too bright photos all get rejected. Use good, even light facing a window. Hold the camera steady or use a tripod. And never use the front selfie camera. The rear camera is sharper. Here is the easy part. You do not need a studio. Take one clean photo against a white wall in good light. Then crop it to the exact size and set a true white background with a free tool like IDPhotoSnap. It runs in your browser, it keeps your photo on your device, and it never edits your face, so it stays inside the 2026 rules. Link is in the description. Good luck and safe travels.